Hello, Dr. Fade Out. This is Sharon A speaking. Who is this? This is Sharon Fay, Look and Listen English Lessons. Right, I was wondering if you could do me a favor and teach grammar on my YouTube channel. What? Who? YouTube channel. Oh, I see. Well, I really appreciate it. You are the best teacher. Oh, thank you. YouTube. Oh, well, if you insist. Oh, well. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you, doctor. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, doctor. Doctor? Doctor? Hello? Hello? Doctor?
Grammar. You may not like it, but certainly you cannot live without it. People associate grammar with errors and correctness, but knowing about grammar also helps us understand what makes sentences and paragraph clear and interesting and precise. Hello, and welcome to Look and Listen English Lessons. I'm Dr. Sharon Fade Out. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on the present simple tense. Are you ready? Let's begin. We use the present simple to talk about repeated actions or events, permanent states, or things that are always true. We also use the present simple for general facts. For example, when talking about science or geography. I'll give you an example. Thailand is hot at this time of the year. It rains in the winter, or the sun rises in the east. In a sentence, we'll start with a name or a pronouns. I, you, we, they, plus time expressions, plus the verb in its natural form. So it's a nice formula. We have the time expressions, we have always, usually, every day, often, sometimes, seldom, never. Now, when we want to give an example for what we have just learned, let's practice. I'll give you an example and you can practice with me. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you go. Now, long time expressions come at the end of the sentence. For instance, once a week or twice a week. They play basketball once a week. They play basketball once a week. Now, when we use the third person singular form, one of the three musketeers, if you like, he, she, and it, we add to the verb es or ies. Depends on the spelling rules. That is very, very important, so pay attention. Our lovely Betty usually drinks tea at 5 o'clock. Betty usually drinks tea at 5 o'clock. Remember, the verb have changes to has in bodies of he, she, and it. For example, I have a bicycle. He has a bicycle too. Now, the verb to be, am, is, are, in the present simple is actually used to describe someone or something. For example, I go to school. I am 10 years old. We play here. We are here every day. He works in a hospital. He is a doctor. Doctor? Oh, goodness, speaking of a doctor, I have to go to the doctor. I just got my appointment. I see you guys next time.